welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I will be making some KFC barbecue chicken. So guys, I have my chicken nicely washed and dried, and I have some seasoning here that I will be using. So here you can see I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, half tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, half tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. So guys, these are all the seasoning that we will be using. We're going to also add some dry thyme, guys. You just want to make sure that you have dry thyme, and we're just going to strip these off the stick. Just want to rub your hands on them like this and get off all those nice leaves from the stem. So if it's dry enough, all the leaves will come off, guys. Okay, just want to get off all the leaves. No stems, so we're going to take the stems out. All the stems. You can do this in another bowl just so you don't get stem in your seasoning. Okay, and we're gonna be using this for the chicken and the flour. Okay, so let's combine our seasoning. Guys, I don't remember if I told you I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder also in here. Okay, now let's add our salt. I'm gonna add half tablespoon of salt, just half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon salt. Lovely. So now this is all combined. We're going to season our chicken. And at this point, guys, make sure that you have your oil on the stove. Okay guys, so let's get all of our seasoning on our chicken. And make sure that you have seasoning all over under your skin. So guys, we're putting a little twist to our recipe, because if you know, KFC does not season their original chicken. They season their flour only. But you know, I love my seasoning. So I'm gonna roll back that thigh, that leg, get the seasoning. I'm doing this barbecue chicken with a twist, okay? And I promise you, you're gonna love this one. Okay, so now our chicken is seasoned. We're going to add the remaining of seasoning to our flour. And guys, I am going to be adding a bit more garlic and onion powder. So I'm just gonna add half tablespoon. I'm also going to add just like a teaspoon of black pepper to the flour mix. And then guys, we are going to combine this together. Nice wash clean hands, guys, okay? So what KFC normally do, they don't season their chicken. They season their flour, and they would normally dip the chicken in water and then in the flour, in the seasoned flour. But of course we're doing this with a little bit of twist. We're doing things the way we enjoy eating them. Okay, we coat our chicken in the flour. Gonna make sure that they're coated nicely, so we're gonna put them in one by one. Make sure that they're coated. Don't mind the little flour that is going all over the counter, guys. You can always clean up after, right? So let's get all of our chicken coated nicely. And you want to make sure that your oil is preheating right now. If you're using a fryer, put your fryer to 300 degrees. I am using a Dutch pot, so I'm on high heat and then reduce to medium high. Okay, you can also check the temperature of your oil. And press. Make sure that they are nicely coated. Nicely coated. So we're just gonna dust these off. Again, guys, make sure that all of your thigh bones are cracked. Okay, make sure that you crack all of your thigh bones. Just pop them back into place. So gonna dust our chicken. Just wanna hold them like this and knock the excess off. Wanna roll down the skin on the leg. Nice. Make sure that they're coated properly, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and put these in our Dutch pot. Okay. Okay, guys, so my oil is ready. Let's put these guys in. There you go, guys. We are going to allow these to take some color, and then we are going to flip them over. You don't want to move these for the first 2 minutes, okay, guys? Okay, so we're going to turn our chicken now, guys, okay? See, they're looking lovely already, guys. Gonna flip these over. Lovely. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to cover my pot. This allows the chicken to soak, and then we're gonna come back and check on our chicken. Okay. Okay, guys, so it's time to prepare our sauce while our chicken is frying, and I'm just gonna make this nice and easy for you guys. So what we're gonna be using today, we're gonna be using ketchup, brown sugar, some Dijon mustard, and some barbecue sauce. We're gonna add some vinegar and some browning. Okay. Okay, so now let's add our ketchup. So I'm doing one cup of ketchup. And this is for 5 pieces of thigh and leg, okay guys? Or barbecue sauce. One cup. And guys, we're gonna add our Dijon mustard. And just like 1 tablespoon. And we're gonna add our vinegar. Just like 1/2 tablespoon. Actually, I'm adding 1 tablespoon because I like that, you know, that little buzz that vinegar gives your sauce. So now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm using brown sugar. We're gonna mix this together, guys. I want to add 1 cup of water, and I'm going to use hot water. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of water, and I'm using hot water. Whisk this together. There you go guys. So now we're going to put this on our stove in our pot. So guys, now I turn my chicken again, and I just remove the cover from the pot, and I'm going to allow this for the next 10 minutes to fry. Okay guys, let's add our browning. So you just want to add just a little bit of browning to this, just for color. I just like when my barbecue sauce is a little bit darker, more on the darker side than on the red side, like a darker red. Gonna add some more. And I just add some water because my brownie is finished, so I just add some water in the bottle. You don't know how we Jamaican do it, we don't waste nothing. So we add the pot on the stove eating before. Get some water in this again guys, rinse it out. Nice, whisk it up. And we're just gonna allow this to reduce and get a little bit thicker and richer and nicer, okay guys? Okay guys, so I believe our chicken is ready. So we're gonna just remove these from our oil and put them on our rack. Yes guys, they're looking lovely. Look at that guys. Looking amazing. Absolutely amazing guys. So we're gonna just remove all of these and place them on our racks. Okay guys, so this is our chicken. Oh my god, look how amazing these are looking guys. These are amazing. So guys, we're gonna check back on our sauce and we're gonna get these coated, okay? Okay guys, so our sauce is ready. We have our oven preheated at 450 degrees. We're gonna coat our chicken in our sauce, put them on our grill and pop them in our oven, okay? Okay, so let's coat our chicken in our sauce. And remember to make sure that your sauce is well hot. So what I do, guys, you can brush them on, but I like to get everything coated nicely. So I just pop them in my sauce one by one. Tap off the excess just like this. And put them back on my rack, okay? So pop them in, spin them around. Let them get nice and coated. Tap off the excess. Put them back on your rack. And we're gonna just do that for all of our chicken, okay? Drop them in. And our last piece. Oh wow, go on. This piece don't want to get eaten, guys. Okay, so now our chicken is nicely coated. We are going to pop these in our oven, which is preheating at 450 degrees. Okay guys, it is time. I took our chicken from the oven. Our KFC barbecue chicken is looking amazing, guys. Couldn't have done a better job on these. Look at that, guys. Absolutely amazing. Look at these, guys. Nice and well coated in our barbecue sauce. They are looking lovely, guys. I hope you really enjoy this recipe. I hope you will be trying out this recipe. Let me know what you think. Remember, hit that thumbs up button, like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not done so. Until next time, stay safe.